Hello again, this is Greg from Suitcases and Saddlebags, and we are getting ready to take another trip. One we've taken before, but this time a couple of friends from church are going to go with us. As we make this trip, we see some beautiful landscape of the desert and the mountains, and it's just wind therapy for us. Breeze in our face, and just the ultimate peace you get from riding. Once we got into Superior, we turned into a buckboard cafe and had us some breakfast. Got to have a little energy to keep on moving, you know. After we left Superior, we headed back and cut off on 79 to go through Florence. And that's our ride for the day. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. I hope you enjoyed the scenery. Hope you enjoyed the ride today.
Okay, so we had a very nice ride today. We went to Superior and had a wonderful breakfast. I ate pancakes, and they were delicious, like Mama makes. And I enjoyed the company. Just in case you guys don't know, I'm sure she'll get them in a photo.
Ooh, hey. You know I enjoyed myself. Anytime I get out on the road, I enjoy myself.
Yeah. That's your thumbnail?
We appreciate you coming along with us. We hope you enjoyed the ride.